So this drone has two FPV cameras. One is here, the lower one, that's an HD camera, and the second FPV camera is here on the bottom. Okay, and whenever I looked into the goggles, I never saw this lower line with numbers. I never saw, for example, the voltage of the cell. And what I did here in Betaflight is simply on the OSD page, I simply dragged these numbers higher. So they were somewhere lower, and for some reason they were not visible, although they were visible before, and I moved them a little bit higher and now they are visible. If I start my radio, now they are visible on both of the cameras. So that's the front camera, which is there, and if I flip the switch, now this is the lower camera, which is below the drone, and that also shows the voltage, both of them.